Welcome back again. In this video we will learn how can we create a template on the MailChimp app. Let's get started. Once you open the MailChimp, you will get this page. Here you just have to click on the email templates under the campaigns category and you will get this page. Here you have to click on the create template option. Now you have to choose any layout from here. Just double click the layout that you want to choose. You will get this page. Here you can just edit your template. Take text from here and just drop here, and you can see just add title here, and if you want you just can select this and keep it in the bold, italic, and you can also, if you want, you just can underline it. You can also select color for this. So you can also add a photo here. Click on this. You can also set the image display size. You can adjust it. If you are done, then you just have to click on the save and close. Now it will ask you for your template name. Click on save. So now you have done, and you just can check it out from email templates. This is our new template that we have just created. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.